Welcome to Hypercar Global, the channel that focuses on Tesla, electric vehicles, the Cybertruck and Elon Musk. Today we take a look at Tesla building a Gigafactory in the UK. Before we get into the video, please subscribe if you are new, and if you enjoy the video please leave a like. Tesla Gigafactory UK appears to be in the works. It might have already happened if it wasn't for Brexit. Talks of a Tesla Gigafactory UK are back. The location would be in Somerset, England, at a 635-acre smart campus called Gravity that's currently under development. Minister of State for Business, Energy, and Clean Growth Kwasi Kwarteng said the government is considering the site for a Tesla Gigafactory. The minister believes the Somerset location will be able to sustain a Tesla Gigafactory. Gravity is a good candidate because it's one of the few locations in England large enough to house a factory of that size. Not only that, it's located near the M5 and Junction 23 highways, a railway, and air and seaports are close by. Rumors of a Tesla Giga UK started last summer when it became known that the UK government was seeking a 92-acre site to accommodate a Tesla Gigafactory. Gravity was one of the sites trying to secure that deal. Then rumors resurfaced last month when a letter addressed to Elon Musk was mailed to the Gravity location. Now that Minister Kwarteng is pushing for Gravity to be the site, it seems Tesla Giga UK is not a rumor anymore. He also outlined the government's pledge to support EV and battery manufacturing. Gravity wants to attract world leaders in advanced manufacturing, robotics, artificial intelligence and electric vehicles, he said. As noted in the Somerset Live report, the Faraday Institution, the UK's independent institute for electrochemical energy storage research and skills development, estimates that Britain will need 1 gigafactory by 2022, 2 gigafactories by 2025 and 8 gigafactories by 2040 to meet demand for electric vehicles and batteries. It might seem like 92 acres is too small for a Tesla Gigafactory, but it's roughly the same size as Phase 1 of the Gigafactory in Berlin. Tesla considered the UK as a potential site but chose Germany instead. Brexit was likely the reason Tesla went with Germany first. Tesla absolutely dominates US EV market with whopping 79% share in 2020. Recent data from an Automotive News/Experian collaboration has revealed something expected but shocking at the same time. In 2020, Tesla outsold its competitors so much in the electric vehicle sector that the company ended up commanding 79% of the US EV auto market. That's nearly 8 out of 10 electric cars registered in the United States being a Tesla. These results mean two things. 1. Tesla is dominating the US EV segment that it's almost ridiculous how far behind its competitors are. And 2. The rest of the players in the country's electric car segment, such as the Audi e-tron, Porsche Taycan, and the Nissan Leaf, only competed for the remaining 21% of the EV pie last year. This domination is incredibly evident in the country's top 5 EV rankings. Last year, Tesla took 4 out of 5 places, with the Model 3 and Model Y being number 1 and 2 with registrations of 95,135 and 71,344, respectively. The Chevrolet Bolt EV, formerly the third placer, only saw 19,664 registrations over the year. That makes the Chevy Bolt EV, a decent electric car with ample range and performance, an incredibly distant third place compared to the Model 3 and the Model E. Even Tesla's Model X and Model S, both of which are getting long in the tooth, still ranked 4th and 5th place, with 19,652 and 14,430 registrations, respectively. What is rather interesting is that electric vehicle in the United States still broaden their share of the country's overall auto market despite the presence of the pandemic. EVs, thanks in no small part to Tesla's Herculean production and delivery initiatives, commanded 1.8% of all cars registered in the US. That's 0.4% higher than the previous year. Amusingly enough, Tesla's market share in the United States practically became meme-worthy among the electric vehicle community recently after CNBC broadcasted a graphic indicating that the Elon Musk-led company only held 2% of the EV North American market, behind Hyundai, which held 5%, Toyota, which held 11%, Ford, which held 14%, and GM, which held 27%. The media outlet's graphic largely remains unexplained for now, though members of the r/Tesla Motors subreddit have suggested that CNBC may have been listing the EV maker's overall market share in the US, which does stand at about 2%. Tesla will be most profitable player in EV space. VW second. Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, and Volkswagen are forecasted to be the most profitable players in the electric vehicle space for the next few years, according to UBS analysts headed by skeptic Patrick Hummel. UBS released a note to investors on Wednesday that indicated American electric car company Tesla and German automaker Volkswagen are sitting in the best position moving forward, and it comes down to software. Profitability seems to be where Tesla really separates itself from Volkswagen in terms of UBS projections, which see the two car manufacturers holding a substantial lead by 2025. Estimates show that Tesla will sell 2.3 million electric vehicles in 2025, with Volkswagen selling just 300,000 more at 2.6 million. However, Tesla's operating profit will be nearly 3 times that of Volkswagen's, as UBS also forecasts $20 billion in annual profits for the California-based electric car company headed by Elon Musk. Volkswagen could make $7 billion that year. With its plan to go fully electric by 2035, General Motors sits in third, with 800,000 EVs sold in 2025, giving the company a projected profit of $2 billion, UBS told investors, according to Market Watch. According to Hummel, of Tesla's projected $20 billion profits in 2025, 45% will come from its in-house software alone. We estimate that $9 billion of the $20 billion OP is directly related to the monetization of Tesla's software capabilities, mainly full self-driving, the note to investors said. Tesla's substantial lead in the sector doesn't come down to production or range ratings. Its software, which is vastly more robust than any other car company in existence, is where Tesla sets itself apart from everyone else. Over-the-air updates are one of the company's most distinct advantages, allowing owners to upgrade their vehicles on what seems like a weekly basis, all through an internet connection. Additionally, it can expand performance ratings, range capabilities, and self-driving software, another sector where Tesla is currently dominating. Volkswagen has plenty of potential as well, and its ID series of vehicles could be the German company's way into a highly competitive EV market. VW should be well ahead of all other legacy OEMs, thanks to scale, but with a much smaller upside from software versus Tesla. What is perhaps Tesla's biggest advantage, according to the UBS note, is its distinct focus on electric cars only. While OEMs like Volkswagen have continued to maintain that they are all in on electrification, only Tesla remains in the shortlist of companies who are producing mass-market EVs without any time or money being funneled into combustion engine projects. Like Volvo and GM, many companies have lined up specific dates of when the final ICE vehicle will roll off of their production lines, but the longer they wait, the more of an advantage Tesla seems to gain. All large global OEMs